Hey everyone, just wanted to make a quick video of the motor running with the hubs that I designed on Thingiverse here. You can see that I actually made a box out of plywood, 1/2 inch, just to mount the motor to make it easy to run some tests with. The controller here, just to get it up and going, just a cheap controller, 350 watts, runs between 5 and 36 volts. It is an actual 3-phase sensorless brushless DC motor controller, and you can see there it runs about 15 bucks with shipping. But just to get it up and going, and I can work on any balance issues that I need to with the motor prior to putting the controller up there that I'm going to use, which is an actual permanent magnet synchronous motor controller that has field orientation control. That's what runs this motor at its most optimum. You can see here I've got a DC power supply that I'm running it with. The power in the circuit, and I'm actually got it at 24 volts, and it's running at probably just over 70 milliamps, and it's probably not running but between 60 and 80 RPMs, but that's about as much as you're going to get with this particular controller. It's got a good amount of torque, you see here, and it will push it up to between probably 160 milliamps up to about 190, 200 milliamps when you put some pressure on it, but it's still got a whole lot of torque. But that's it. You can see that it turns and it works. This can be used for a whole lot of do-it-yourself type projects. I've seen at least a couple of videos where guys have used these motors on e-bikes, and they just got plenty of torque to do those type of projects with. But that's it. I'll show the controller again. You can get off eBay. It's good for a whole lot of different motors, and you don't have to worry about the sensors. You can just hook up your 3 phases, and it'll get up and running for you pretty quick.